Why are there not more people talking about the mind-blowing precision behind the Great Pyramid of Giza? The mysterious lost technology that enabled ancient builders to achieve such perfection is nothing short of astonishing. Let's start with the foundation. The pyramid's base is almost a perfect square, a geometric marvel that has stood the test of time for over 4,500 years. This is not just a simple platform. It's the very canvas upon which the ancient Egyptians built their masterpiece. Each side measures about 230 meters long, forming a footprint that covers more than 13 acres, an area large enough to fit nearly 10 football fields. The difference between the longest and shortest sides, less than 8 inches. That's a level of precision that's almost unimaginable, especially considering the tools available at the time. That's an error margin of less than 0.03%. For a structure of this scale, it's a mathematical near miracle. Imagine drawing a perfect square on 13 acres of uneven desert. This was no accident. The builders had to level the ground, account for natural dips and rises, and still achieve near-perfect symmetry. Modern skyscrapers rarely achieve this level of accuracy, even with advanced technology and computer-aided design. The pyramid's base rivals, and sometimes surpasses, the precision of our most ambitious contemporary projects. The pyramid's builders aimed for perfection from the ground up, with no room for error. Every stone had to be placed with care, every angle checked and rechecked. Any mistake at the base would have doomed the entire structure. A single miscalculation could have led to catastrophic collapse as the pyramid rose higher. Laying out such a perfect square suggests a deep understanding of geometry and surveying. The ancient Egyptians were not just laborers, they were skilled mathematicians and engineers. The traditional view credits simple tools like ropes and stakes, but achieving this precision on this scale is extraordinary. It raises questions about what other techniques or knowledge they might have possessed. Their methods were likely far more sophisticated than we imagine. Some theories suggest they used advanced surveying techniques or even astronomical alignments to guide their work. The base's perfection set the stage for everything that followed. Without this flawless foundation, the pyramid's iconic shape and enduring stability would have been impossible. It's a feat that continues to baffle engineers today. Even with all our advancements, we still marvel at how this was achieved so long ago. The foundation is the first clue that the pyramid is more than a tomb. It's a testament to the vision, skill, and ambition of its creators. It's a monument to human ingenuity, a reminder that with determination and knowledge, even the most impossible dreams can be realized. The pyramid's alignment is even more astonishing. It's oriented to the 4 cardinal directions with near-perfect accuracy. This feat is not just impressive for its time, but remains remarkable even by today's standards, considering the tools and knowledge available to the ancient Egyptians. Its north-south axis points to true north, not magnetic north, with an error of just 3/60ths of a degree. Such precision is difficult to achieve even with modern technology, yet the builders accomplished it over 4,500 years ago. Achieving this required sophisticated knowledge of the stars and Earth's rotation. The ancient Egyptians had to observe the night sky for years, carefully tracking the movement of celestial bodies to determine the exact orientation. The builders may have tracked stars or used the shadow of a pole to find true north. Both methods demand patience and precision. These techniques required not only keen observation, but also a deep understanding of astronomy and mathematics. The Earth's axis wobbles over millennia, so the stars' positions change. This phenomenon, known as precession, means that the reference points in the sky slowly shift over time. The ancient Egyptians had to account for this. Their calculations and observations had to be incredibly accurate to ensure the pyramid's alignment would stand the test of time. This points to a level of astronomical knowledge far beyond what we typically credit to ancient civilizations. Their understanding of the cosmos was both practical and deeply spiritual. The alignment wasn't just for show, it was fundamental to the pyramid's purpose. It reflected their beliefs about the universe and the afterlife, connecting the pharaoh to the eternal order of the cosmos. Many ancient cultures linked cardinal directions to their beliefs. The north symbolized eternity. For the Egyptians, Aligning the pyramid was a way to ensure the pharaoh's soul would join the stars in the northern sky. By aligning the pyramid so perfectly, the builders connected their monument to the heavens. The structure became a bridge between the earthly and the divine. They anchored it not just to Earth but to the cosmos. The pyramid stands as a testament to humanity's desire to reach beyond our world and touch the stars. The pyramid is a statement of cosmic order and human ambition. It embodies the ancient Egyptians' quest for knowledge, power, and immortality. It's a message written in stone, reaching for eternity, a silent dialogue between earth and sky, and a legacy that continues to inspire awe thousands of years later. The pyramid's dimensions contain a mathematical marvel, pi. If you divide the perimeter of the base by twice its original height, you get a value astonishingly close to pi, about 3.143. This is far more accurate than the approximation the Egyptians are thought to have used. The formal understanding of pi is credited to the Greeks centuries later. Yet the pyramid's builders embedded it in stone. This suggests a sophisticated grasp of mathematics, far ahead of their time. The pyramid may be a mathematical library communicating a universal truth. Pi is a constant everywhere in the universe. By building around this number, the architects created a monument that transcends time and culture. It's a message of intelligence and a deep connection to the cosmos. The pyramid's original exterior was covered in polished white Tura limestone casing stones, about 144,000 of them. These stones were cut and fitted with baffling precision. The joints are thinner than a razor blade. Each multi-ton block was so perfectly placed that you can't slip a piece of paper between them. Mortar was used sparingly, more as a lubricant than a binder. Achieving this fit across thousands of stones required mastery beyond modern standards. The conventional explanation involves copper chisels and stone pounders, but the scale and uniformity are staggering. The casing stones represent a pinnacle of stone masonry, never surpassed. They are a testament to building for eternity. Before construction began, the builders had to create a perfectly flat foundation on uneven bedrock. The result? A foundation level to within half an inch across 13 acres. Modern crews use lasers. The Egyptians may have used water-filled trenches to mark a level line. After draining the water, they'd chip away excess rock to match the reference points. The pyramid's corners are nearly perfect right angles with minuscule deviation. Creating these over such distances required incredible skill. The foundation's perfection was critical. 2.3 million stone blocks, nearly 6 million tons, had to be evenly supported. A flawed base would have doomed the structure. The pyramid's survival for 4,500 years is proof of their success. It all started with a perfect foundation. We've seen a structure with a perfect base, cosmic alignment, mathematical secrets, and stonework that defies explanation. Modern technology can measure this perfection, but we still can't fully explain how it was achieved. The gap between the tools we believe they had and the results they achieved is immense. The standard narrative of copper tools and brute force feels inadequate. It's like building a Swiss watch with a hammer and chisel. The pyramid stands as evidence of lost techniques and forgotten knowledge. This isn't about aliens or magic, it's about human ingenuity at its peak. The builders were masters of science, math, and engineering. The pyramid challenges us to rethink what we know about the past. Next, we'll explore the quarries and tool marks for more clues. The adventure is far from over.